Hello everyone. So today's question is the negation of the Boolean expression P, that is negation of P intersection Q, is basically equivalent to, these are the four options, we have to choose one. So the solution is also given to us on the same page. As you all can see, I will be explaining this only. So this is the equation that is being written, that is P negation of P intersection Q. So what we will be doing, we will be just opening up the bracket that will be giving us P negation P intersection P Q. Okay, so P negation P is nothing, we'll be giving just a T name, and that is intersection of P Q. So this will give you PQ. Okay, it will give you P and Q. Now what we'll be doing, nothing, we'll be just putting negation on both sides, that is our negation P intersection Q, and we have solved this and we got PQ. So that would be equals to negation of P and Q. So when we'll open up these brackets, that is negation P, negation P, that is nothing, that will be giving you negation of P intersection negation of Q. That is basically option number, we'll find out, that is basically option number 4. So this is our answer.